Feathered dinosaurs took advantage of their ability to regulate body temperature to become very active hunters. Hunting in packs, feathered dinosaurs like Dinos were fast, agile, and terrifying. The dinosaurs roaming the lakeside forests of Liaoning came in different sizes and shapes. Here, feathered dinosaurs had opened the door to new evolutionary possibilities. Mammals were still land-bound, while Dinos and company were reaching for the heavens. No longer were feathers just about maintaining body heat. They were helping dinosaurs open the doors to the world of flight. Microraptor is believed to have lived in the forest canopy, where it glided from tree to tree. Feathered dinosaurs would make the sky their domain, and early in the Cretaceous period, the first birds were aloft.